HCN of Delhi, even Apache and there will be no alliance with Congress.
See, I believe it is too premature to give a statement at this stage. Currently, there are 2 years for the election. Every political party will try to get maximum done within and increase their membership and whatever. Currently, the Congress party took a decision almost 6-8 months back. आणि आम्ही आजके आमगेलो बेस स्ट्रेंथन होत आहे. You will see a lot of people entering into the party. Potentially, I believe that आज गोंयकारांक दिसता की सगळे एकठांय जावपाक जाय म्हणून. And it is too premature now to speak on the alliance. But I am hopeful the way we fight in the assembly that the opposition unitedly move as one front. I am confident that it is going to happen in the interest of the state of Goa. Things have to move in the interest of the state of Goa, and it is my duty as opposition leader to make sure that all these opposition MLAs take a decision, and I am confident that the decision has to be in the interest of the state. We cannot think of our selfish needs. And म्हाका दिसता आतां comment करपाक it is absolutely premature to make comments like that.